Some students find it difficult to solve this type of question due to the fact that they miss some things. They don't used to have some things at their fingertips in trigonometric ratio. So in trigonometric ratio, you need to have some things on your fingertips if you want to get this kind of question solved in your exam. So that thing is that you should know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So now if you know this alone can help you to solve this equation. Now what we want to do is that we are going to, in using this identity, we can now rewrite it that cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of cos square theta, we are going to put 1 minus sin square theta. So I will write this equation. I will write it and say 1 minus sin square theta plus 1 over 8 is equals to sin square theta. So now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to multiply through by 8. So 8 into 1 minus sin square theta plus 1 over 8 times 8 is equals to 8 sin square theta. So now we are going to, if I expand, it's going to give me 8 minus 8 sin square theta plus this one we cancel out, 8 is equals to 8 sin square theta. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we collect the like terms. 8 plus 8, so it's going to give me 16. So sorry, 8 plus 1 will give me 9. So this minus 8 sin square theta will come to this side and we change to plus. So it's going to give me 16 sin square theta. So which means that if I want to make sin square theta my subject formula, it's going to be 9 over 16 is equals to sin square theta. Therefore, theta is going to, if you want to get sin theta, sin theta will now be square root of, because if you want to get sin theta, you need to take the square root of this side. So it's just going square root of 9 over 16. So my is going to be 3 over 4. So sin theta is going to be 3 over 4. So, and if you want to, another thing that you need to have on your fingertip, apart from cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, is that you need to know that sin theta over cos theta is equals to tan theta. That's another thing that you need to have on your fingertips. So know it, let it, don't just hold it. Now we've already know sin theta. How are we going to get our cos theta? We've got a value. We've got a value for sin theta. So now to know our cos theta, the next thing that we are going to do is that just draw right angle triangle. So the meaning of when you say sine in a math, it means opposite over hypotenuse. So when you now say, it means that this 3 over 4 means 3. The 3 belongs to opposite and the 4 belongs to hypotenuse. So I will put it, the 4 belongs to this place and the opposite, the side facing the angle, is 3. So to know our adjacent, it means that it's going to be, you know that when you square the adjacent and square the opposite is equals to the square of hypotenuse. So to get our adjacent, is going to be x squared is equals to 4 squared minus 3 squared. So it's going to be 16 minus 9, which is going to be 7. So our x squared is 7. So our x, which is the adjacent, is a root of 7. So now we've got our adjacent as x. I use x to represent it. So the next thing that we are going to do now is that we are looking for k, which is the cos, adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent is root 7 and our hypotenuse is 4. So that's our adjacent. To now get our tan theta, we are asked to find, is going to be sin theta, which is 3 over 4, over cos theta, which is root 7 over 4. So it means that 3 over 4 times 4 over root 7. So 4 cancel 4. So the tan theta we are looking for is 3 over root 7. So, but because it is in sum form, you don't leave it like that. You need to rationalize. So the examiner will not leave the answer like this. So you multiply by root 7 over root 7. So it's going to be 3 root 7 over 7. So, and that is it. Bye.